How are you all? Welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. This is not what you are ready for. Shiba Inu, not long to go now. Bad news. Shiba Inu's price went down at the end of 2022. At the start of the new year, the bulls are trying to take back ground and give investors their money back that they lost. Shiba Inu price hasn't shown the signs of going up that buyers need to feel comfortable adding more SHIB tokens to their accounts. The sale in December ended with a 13% drop in market value from when it started. Bulls failed to start the expected end-of-year rally. We'll talk about you're not ready for this in this film. Shiba Inu news 2 days left. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up if you want to see our newest videos about Shiba Inu price forecasts and feedback from experts. Let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu is worth $0.0000000000 right now. The shorter periods are bearish on January 2nd, but the bulls are trying to change the story. The 8-day exponential moving average EMA has been turned into support, and the 21-day simple moving average SMA will soon meet the well-known meme coin. If the 21-day simple moving average SMA at $0.00000034 breaks up in a bullish way, the price could rise to the middle of December's trade range, which is close to $0.00000000. If the bulls won, the price of Shiba Inus would go up by 11%. SHIB, on the other hand, stayed below November's broken support zone, which could be the start of a sweep the lows event aimed at the 2022 low at $0.0000000714. If the bearish situation comes true, the price of the SHIB will go down by 13%. It's important to note that a liquidity zone that hasn't been broken since 2020 is 30% below the current trade rate range at $0.0000000632. So jumping into the market for a knife catch chance in hopes of a double bottom near the yearly lows would not be a good idea. After a pretty rough year in 2022, cryptocurrency buyers will be glad to start over in 2023 when the crypto winter will have ended and the momentum that began to build in 2021 will have arrived. Shiba Inus, which are used as memes, have also been hurt. In 2022, it was down about 75% and had a market value of about $4.9 billion. The recent failure of FTX, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, which has been the subject of a lot of bad news. Also, regulators are stepping in. Because of the collapse of FTX, there is now a lot of uncertainty in the business as a whole. Even though things look bad, crypto bulls will say that now is a good time to buy the dip and that things will get better in the future. The Shiba Inu bears could hurt the object in a lot of different ways. One problem is that Shiba Inus don't have a special purpose. Some networks and tokens can shake up certain businesses or do certain jobs. Still, Shiba Inu only has the peer-to-peer exchange features that almost all cryptocurrencies have. One reason for this is that Shiba Inu doesn't have a network. What it really is an ERC20 coin. For example, because it is built on top of the Ethereum network, it can be changed into other things, be transferred, and have a set number of coins. Shiba Inu has a fixed supply, but it's 1 quadrillion tokens, which isn't good for buyers because of the way supply and demand work. One interesting thing about Shiba Inu's catalyst is that the test version of Shibarium is about to be released. Shibarium is a layer 2 scaling solution that is based on Shiba Inu's protocol and makes Shiba Inu's network more unique. This could mean that Shiba Inu trade fees are lower. Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token, so when Ethereum gets busy, it also gets busy for people who use it, and petrol fees go up. It is also said that Shibarium will have a burning feature that will destroy tokens with every transaction. This will help lower the huge supply of Shiba Inus. Besides that, Shiba Inu, which is the 16th biggest cryptocurrency, would probably also do well if the crypto business gets better. Finally, the Federal Reserve will have to stop the sharp rate hikes that have been going on all year for that to happen. When rates go up, people are less likely to want to buy risky assets. Cryptocurrencies are one of the riskiest assets because they are harder to value than stocks. The Shiba Inu group seems to be full of energy and excitement to get over the burnout from last year. Since the drop last year, the daily burn of this famous meme coin has been much lower. However, the first 2 days of 2023 were about the same as the big burn in 2022. ShibBurn, a coin burn transfer tracker, says that the Shiba army has taken away about 250 million Shiba Inus in the last 2 days. 99 million meme coins were sent to the Infana wallet on January 1st. It took 9 trades to get them. As of January 2nd, they had taken out a total of 159,411,895 SHIB, which meant that 13 transactions went to dead wallets. A total of 157,941,583 meme coins were burned by the unknown address, which meant that most of the next amount of SHIB was lost in a single move. Now there are 115.6% more shares being burned than there were before this burn. Shibarium Network's main Twitter account, ShibariumNet, has gained thousands of followers in just a few months since it was made public. Over 33,900 people follow the Shibarium Network on Twitter. About 24,200 people were following just over a month ago, on November 7th. The Shiba Inu team says that the Shibarium network will finally turn into a place where people can share and find out about everything related to the Shibarium Layer 2 network arc and protocol. With over 1 million followers on Twitter in just over a month, Shiba Inu's Layer 2 answer, Shibarium, is clearly getting a lot of attention. Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer for Shiba Inu, wrote that he met with Unification, the builder for Shibarium, earlier this week. He wrote that things were organizing, onboarding, and finalizing soon, very soon for Shibarium. ShibaPP, a Twitter account that is all about Shiba Inus, used to share screenshots of Discord chats from Satoshi Kusama and ShibTrophius, a SHIB developer. Most people think Kusama meant Shibarium when he said in the image that he was putting a nice bow on it. Theofrix Shib said that there will be documentation first, then testing. It looks like the beta testing process will start soon. How much bone cost ShibaSwap is up 8% in the last 24 hours to $0.87, which shows that people are excited about the upcoming Shibarium test release. Bone would be used as fuel for layer 2 of the Shibarium and as a prize for validators. Someone on Twitter with the handle ShibaPip said that the Shibarium updates are almost finished by the people who work on Shiba Inu. The member of the Shiba Inu community shared a Discord message from Trophius, one of the network's main developers, in which he talked about the next steps that need to be taken before the long-awaited beta start of Shibarium. And in the Discord message, Trophius made it sound like the developers only need to share the Shibarium white paper before the beta starts. Besides that, the developer said in the shared message that the first step was making the website, the document, and the beta start. Satoshi Kusama's Discord message, which was shared in a follow-up Twitter post, shows that developers are putting together the last parts of the upgrade, which includes organizational changes and document releases, before the Shibarium project start. To be fair, the core writers have already teased the Shiba Inu community about releasing the Layer 2 protocol more than a year ago. The SHIB team first planned for the project to start in September. As it turns out though, there are some technical problems that will make the planned start happen later than planned. The public is angry that the team hasn't said when the start will actually happen. According to experts in the field, the price of chips is about to go through the roof as the start of Shibarium approaches.